Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Bloom Outdoors. So in the last video, then we did the front emblem. There's one that says Ford on the grill. I had to take the whole grill off and take it apart and everything, get up in there. Not exactly sure what we have to do for the rear, so we're gonna figure it out. I'm thinking you have to take the tailgate apart, so we will do that. But yeah, we're going to put some new rear Ford emblems on the back of my truck. They are color matched, black and the metallic gray. So let's get into that, start tearing this thing apart and get the new ones put on, so stay tuned. So I just looked at the new emblem and it looks like there is like some divots in it, like here, something like that, that gets stuck in there. So I think what we're gonna have to do is take the inside of the tailgate off, so that way we can access the back half of this. Take some pliers, I think, and squeeze them together, and I think this thing should just pull right off. We'll try that, see what happens. I did not see any like sticky stuff on the back of them, so you shouldn't have to take the fishing line and go behind it. It should just be you take the tailgate apart and it pulls off. So we'll try that and see what happens. So I think you have to take these all out, and then this piece should lift up off of here, and you should be able to access that emblem from the inside. All right, took me a while to get it, but it looks like these are T25s, little star bits. So let's get all these taken off, and this piece should just lift right off of here. All right, we got all 8 of those off. This piece should just lift right off like that. Set it to the side. And all right. So we got, let me show you guys. We've got the whole tailgate assembly mechanism right here. And it's hard to see, but right back here, behind there, then you can see the emblem right back in here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's right back down behind this whole mechanism here. It's behind that. This should be fun to get to, but it's behind there. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna have to switch to my phone here soon, but I believe you should just be able to pinch all these, and that emblem should just fall out and the new one should just pop right in there. So I'm gonna get to doing that. All right guys, so long story short, camera ended up dying, but so what happened was, yeah, I think the camera died. I was recording kind of the whole thing, and then the camera died and I wasn't really paying attention until after I got done. So the emblem was right behind in here, which was the tailgate mechanism. So you know, you pull the tailgate and it unlatches this side and that side. It was right behind that, which kind of sucked. The left side here was definitely more easier to access, but it had 5 little like pins in it, and so you'd have to squeeze those together, and that was how it would come out. But so what I ended up doing was I just broke them all off, because you don't have to use them for the new emblem that goes on there. So I broke them off, and then they had like adhesive stuck to the back of it, so it was kind of hard to get off. Took the hairdryer to it, so it could melt it down easier, and then I just pushed it off. Came off pretty easy, and then I took the rest of the sticky stuff off. The new one I got did not come with any sticky stuff, so it was still stuck on just fine though, because it had those 5 little pins I was telling you about, where you just push it on and they're locked in there. So unless you go back through the inside and like break them off or unclamp them and push them out, then that emblem will be stuck on there. But we got the new one pushed up through, and then put this piece back on, and I'll show you the final product, what it looks like. Looks like that. It's not the best lighting in here, but I think it looks super good. Like really good. I like the look of it a lot. Way better than that blue that was on there before, that's for sure. I like it. I got it off eBay, came in a set with the front. I think they were around 150 or 180, something like that. but I think it just looks super nice. Pretty easy to install. Honestly, the hardest part was taking out the stock one. The new one was super easy. You just had 5 clips behind it here, and you just pushed it in, went right in there. There's no like big gaps or anything, and fits the exact same as the stock one does. Looks really good if you ask me. And here's the front too. Hood's popped, but there is the front one. Looks super good. Color matched perfectly. Kind of hard to tell with the lighting, but it's definitely the same color. The black ties in well with the grille. I think it looks really good. No more blue on it. Still got the wheels, unfortunately. And then we got these side badges here. These are gonna be coming off soon. Gonna put some black ones on. But we got both of the Ford emblems taken care of. We just have to change out the F-150 ones pretty soon. And then that'll pretty much be it for the chrome look of the truck. Just kind of the wheels and the fog light housings. And the stupid white Nebraska plates, but I kind of have to keep that on. So maybe get some new fog lights here soon. And I do have the new side emblems that say F-150. I'll be changing those out pretty soon, so stay tuned for that video. Then eventually we'll do a lift and some tires, get rid of the running boards, different exhaust, some tail lights, whole bunch of stuff coming for this guy. But for now, we just got the little improvements like that, make it look better. Overall, I think it is a success. Looks really well. I'd say it's worth the money. It's kind of a lot for them, but I definitely think that they turned out really well, and I really like them. So drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video where I put the side emblems on. So as always, thanks for watching another video of Bloom Outdoors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.